Hello everyone, and welcome to our story time. Today I have a heartwarming tale about an unlikely friendship that I think you'll really enjoy. It's called The Baker and the Bluebird. Every morning at 5 o'clock, the city streets were completely silent. While everyone else was still sound asleep, Mr. Lee was already awake. Mr. Lee was a baker, and he absolutely loved the smell of fresh bread and warm pastries filling his small shop. One rainy Tuesday, as he was kneading dough, Mr. Lee noticed something on his windowsill. It was a tiny blue bird. The poor bird looked wet and was shivering from the cold. It gently tapped on the glass with its small beak as if asking for help. Mr. Lee's heart went out to the little creature. He carefully opened the window and placed a warm, freshly baked blueberry muffin right on the ledge. "Here you go, little friend," Mr. Lee whispered softly. The bird didn't hesitate. It ate the muffin quickly, and once it was finished, it chirped a beautiful, happy song. A warm smile spread across Mr. Lee's face. Being a baker could be lonely work, especially in the early hours, but in that moment, he didn't feel alone at all. The very next day, the sun was shining brightly, but the little bluebird returned. It landed on the windowsill, just like before. This soon became their special routine. Every single morning, Mr. Lee would bake his delicious bread and pastries, and the bluebird would sit on the sill, singing its cheerful songs. This simple daily visit brought so much joy to Mr. Lee's mornings. He learned a wonderful lesson from his feathered friend. Even a small act of kindness, like sharing a muffin, can bring the greatest happiness and forge the most unexpected friendships. And that's what makes life so sweet. So, what did we learn from our story today? The word silent means completely quiet. Shivering is when you shake because you're cold. A routine is something you do regularly. And joy is that wonderful feeling of great happiness. I hope you loved that story as much as I did. It's a great reminder to be kind to everyone and everything around us. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the English Lab. See you next time.